we're in the ocean. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there she goes. She's a little majestical mermaid. Oh, look at the mermaid. Look at the mermaid. We'll be right back after this commercial break.
Okay, guys. So here we're back. Oh my God, you can see us. Okay, so we're back, y'all, and we're about to go underwater.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, guys, we're about to go back underwater. Come on, Timmy. Timmy. I don't know what you guys just saw at all. Okay, now do something really funny. You have a booger. Now we back up in the studio. This is a green screen. We're in the green screen called Ocean Film 1. Yup. Hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe! Like, subscribe! Hit that notification bell. Oh, big wave. Ah! I'm kind of scared of the ocean.
That looks so funny.
The cameraman has drowned. Catch you guys next time. Okay, ready? Hold hands.
Ready?
Go. Whoa, that was so cool. Was that your toes? Yeah. 2, 1. What's up, guys? It's Sam and Cole. Hope you guys enjoy this summer vlog. Summer vlog in fall. It's fall. It's 2 days into fall. 2 or 3. And we'll be right back after this commercial break.
Not your lip filler. I want to go deeper in the water.
The Vlog Nation, I got salt water in my eyes and I can't see. Yeah.
So like
we're about to go find the mythical creature. We're about to go find the mythical creature. Somebody touch my leg.
you're a baddie.
We're about to find a mythical creature. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're about to find a mythical creature. Let's go find a mythical creature. The mound of seaweed, bro. Okay, I gotta press pause. Oh my God! You see that guy? Watch that clip back again. I'm gonna try. It's a mythical creature. Could please stop hawing for a second so I can talk to Vlog Nation. Alright, Vlog Nation. I'm gonna try to talk to it. Vlog Nation, I think this guy. Hey, buddies, right? Yeah!
Put me on the plaster! I'm hungry!
Oh no! What part of you? Oh my God, you have clean girl eyebrows. Oh my God, who's that? An unsuspecting victim? Unsuspecting victim. Go away!
My name is
Hi,
That's my name.
Nice to meet you.
I gotta go. My children are waiting.
Okay, have fun. Bye. There we go. Bye.
Just saying.
That's. Hey guys, so Sedona abandoned me, so we're gonna try to find a sea creature. Okay, we looking. Wait, what's that? What's that? Put your hair over your face. Oh no, that was just a human. What's that? What's that? Do you have any words? Emo! Emo? Is your, what are you? Emo! Are you an emo sea creature? I want to see your eyes. Emo, where? Say some challenging words. You want to go, bro? Okay, go. What's up, Vlog Nation? What are we doing? We're riding the waves. Okay. Alright, give us your hot take. What's that mean? I don't know. Just say something. Yup. The key to riding waves, is to not be scared, because you could potentially, See, I'm not riding the wave, I'm jumping backwards onto them, because you get more air, and I really like air. You know, it's the key way to living. That's so true. So the more air I can get, the better. What's your key on riding the waves? Your way you do it? What's your take? Tell me your take on it. Alright, see y'all next time. Hi gang! Let's go back. We lost your mom. Come on. Where's my mom? We're not in the center of it. Bye bye. This is the ocean. Totally not a shore. We're stranded in the ocean. Don't look at my toes. The waves are too strong. Land. Whatever's real sweet. Oh, he's got a paddleboard. Think we could steal it and like boogie board it? Do you think we could shank him? Yeah. What's that mean? Like in prison when they make little stabby things. Stop it, stop it. My nose is very stuffy. Out at sea, stranded. How did we get stranded on the ocean? Our boat died. Our boat sank? Our boat ran out of battery. Our boat didn't float. Whatever floats your boat, my boat sank. These guys are killer. Oh yeah, they're slaying. Ready, ready? I just hit my butt. You just hit your butt? I'm like a great arm. Oh, the creature's back. And in that winter, in the Yellow Red October. Yellow Red October by Jake Weber, Johnny Gilbert, Young Scruff. 7-Eleven. She gets a Red Bull. I get a Monster. She gets Cookies. I get gummy worms. Uh-oh. We get stranded in the ocean for months, and how do you know new music? That's from last year. Last fall. 7-Eleven? Yeah. Is it really from last fall? Yep. Oh my god. I am not joking.